Good afternoon, guys. In this video I just want to say a few words about a show reel, what it is, what it's for, importance of show reels, and so on. So basically it's some video for show something, show a product, a place, an activity, whatever, but in our case to show our talents. It depends who you are a model or you're a dancer, or maybe you're fighters working as a stuntman or actor, comedian, whatever. So you need to show your skills, and yes, it's really important. For example, like years before, so casting director or manager, agent, whatever, they ask for a reference, like in what theater you worked before, your past jobs, what films you done already, and maybe you finish university, you probably supposed to be a new actor or whatever, and if you didn't done any works yet, so it will be more difficult for get a new one or even came to the casting. For instance, if some big movie and have like big roles, and it will be a lot of people who want to participate, came in a casting, but let's say they can take 100 people a day, yeah, so probably they will be way more picky. They will check your pictures, how you look like, but they want to see your acting skills. If you have some show reels, it will be easier for them. But if you don't have any show reels, so probably not even get a job, you even not get to the casting, so you even cannot try yourself. So after people check the show reels and past job and compare who they will invite to the casting and so on. So in this case, you'll get more chance come on a casting and try yourself. So if you not get a main role or some of the main role, maybe at least the small roles, and still can practice and promote yourself in the future. So for example, on my experience, the same, when I just ask for come on a casting in a certain place, they ask me for show reels, and after I have to do it by myself until I collect some from past works. Same, I done a lot of show reels for other people for free, because as you know, I make a lot of different videos, like I like make some philosophy and psychology videos with a deep meaning, and some fun videos as well, and I collaborate with a lot of people, so I don't mind give something for free, like make a photo shoot or make a show reel or make a small video with some interesting story for someone and try to promote them like an actor or actress. So I even got some messages like people said, oh, you cannot do it for free because it's our job, we photographers or videographers, and actually it's up to me first, and second, I think if someone like a good professional, good videographer or photographer, they always can find the customers, and they shouldn't complain about people who work on TFP basis, and probably they have some own reasons for that. Okay, so let's come back to the show reels. So it doesn't matter who you are, model or dancer or stuntman, you need a lot of show reels. If you have some past works, like you've done it already, it's cool. Just show them what you've done already, it will be great. If you're good in video editing, you can cut main pieces and make videos like, let's say, from 1 minute till 5 minutes, not make it too long, otherwise someone will be really boring to watch it and getting tired. So you can collect like a few videos to show, let's say, different style of dancing, different acting, and so on. As more you have, is better for you. And if you're not good at video editing, just collect the links, and you can say my acting from 5 minutes till 7 minutes and so on. So it will be easier to people find out what they want to. Or you can just ask someone, they can edit for you. So for example, if way before manager or casting director, agents, they always ask you for past works, like what university you finish, you're a new model or a new actor maybe, like in what theater you was, what movie you done already. And if you didn't done any, it will be much more difficult for go to a casting or audition. And if you done something, it's great. So additional way where you can get your show reels, if you don't have any, just take your phone and record your different acting scenes, or try make it with your friends, or some friend record it on a camera, or maybe you've done some let's say courses or workshop, record it from a workshop, or if you go some acting school or whatever, just make some recordings from there. If you have some past work, it's great. If not, just take your friends and make it different styles and record it with your friends. From my experience, I can say that if it's like they need an actor for a drama, they will ask you a few show reels for a drama, and it's not one or two, it's usually like 5 or more. They need a few. If they need like men who will play comedians, they need a few show reels, then you play comedian in different styles, and they want to see how you play with your tones and how you show emotions and your face expressions and so on, how you read the lines with other people, so they can see for sure how you look like on a camera. So still, is more you have, is better for you. If you're actor, you need, and for drama and action and comedy, like for everything. If you're a stuntman or dancer and you don't have any videos, just record it by yourself, like different style of dancing, or if you're stuntman, how you fail, do some tricks, backflips, whatever. Try to fight with your friends, like make some wrestling or anything else, so people can see, oh, okay, you're quite good in that, so it may be some other role will be suitable for you, and so on. Another way, if you still don't have any, you can go with a volunteer for some theater, work there for a month or so on some performance and record videos from there. So if you have a reference, like you've been in a theater and play some role for months or two, it will be great plus for you. Same for stunts. Sometimes they need a like performer, work as volunteer, or maybe for low budget. Still, you can go there, work, at least you have a reference and you can record a video, you have something to show. On a different holidays, different schools, they make a show, so you can join the show and make a video, and you can show, okay, we done some kind of performance, and it will be great plus for you also. Or you can go work on extra. Some people like don't wanna go there, but still you can go there where you can find a group of people and can make some acting, record it. For sure, usually you have like a lot of time for it, and all of the people, they have some experience in video recording or acting and so on, so it will be easier to find some people who with the same mood, have the same vibes, and can help you create your portfolio and make new show reels and so on, and you can help them as well, so you can have a great cooperation in this case. Okay, I think it's quite enough about the show reels. You got the idea, so if you don't have any, just go start it and just record someone, or find some videographer who can cooperate with the actors, and you can create like some of your own. And about the style of your show reel, it can be absolutely any. You can make a small story, you can take some part from film, what you like, and you can play that role, or you can stay in with a plain wall and just introduce yourself and show how you play different emotions, or show how you good stand-up comedian, just make jokes and so on, or make a dance, or show your fighting skills or anything else. Just record it and collect as much as you can. It will be helpful for you for sure. Hopefully it was interesting for you, and we'll see you soon.